If you want to start a project using the most popular sizing in Canva, then all you have to do is go ahead and click on home. Then from here, you will find these beautiful icons right here at the top. And you just want to go ahead and go towards the right and you can click on more. Once you click on more, it's going to pop up. You'll see the window create a design, and all of these popular designs are sizes that people will generally use. And so you can scroll through to find something that you want, or even use the arrows towards the right to basically see more from those different sizes. And so you can easily find something. So let's say I wanted to create a video, I can easily go ahead and find something that says video, as you can see right here. And don't worry about where it says 1020 by 1080. It's just about the video size or the page size. You can always export your videos later on. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to create that page where you can now start adding your videos right in it. And when you choose, for example, a video, it comes with this design for you to add videos. It does not mean that if you have a page, you can't add a video, but it's just really set, ready to create the video in Canva. And that's it.